Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the tube outer diameter and picking the matching compression union size, because fit prevents leaks. Once the water is off and pressure relieved, drain a short section so you can work dry. Slide the nut on first, then the ferrule, with the tapered side facing the fitting. This order matters. You hold the tube square to the union, push it fully home, and make sure that seating depth is consistent. This ensures a reliable metal-to-metal seal as you proceed. Next, you hand start the nut until it seats. This prevents cross-threading, so you don't damage the union. Once hand tight, use one wrench on the union body and a second wrench on the nut, and tighten about 1/4 to 1/2 turn beyond finger tight for typical brass fittings. This compresses the ferrule properly. Make sure to support the tubing to stop it from twisting. Once tightened, allow the ferrule to bite evenly, because an uneven squeeze causes leaks and weak joints over time. Finally, you slowly restore pressure and watch the union closely for the first 30 to 60 seconds. Small drips tell you where to act. If you see a leak, stop, relieve pressure, then try tightening a small additional 1/8 to 1/4 turn, only if appropriate, because over-tightening can deform the ferrule. If leaks persist, disassemble, inspect ferrule and tube end for damage, replace the ferrule if nicked, reseat everything squarely, and retest. This single troubleshooting step usually...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.